In a dramatic escalation of high-stakes corruption probe, a heavily armed joint security task force has sealed off the fifth floor of Parliament's East Wing, transforming the standard halls of government into an active cordon of crime scene. They target the inner sanctum of the former Speaker of Parliament, Anita. At exactly 9 a.m., a convoy of security vehicles, including a specialized forensic evidence collection van, pulled up to the parliamentary complex. Within minutes, a team comprising Criminal Investigations Directorate, that's CID officers, Uganda People's Defense Forces, UPDF personnel, and expert forensic auditors marched to the fifth floor to begin a meticulous room-by-room raid amongst official chambers. From the corridors of power to a cordon crime scene, the atmosphere at Parliament remains tense. Journalists rushing to cover the unfolding drama have been strictly barred from the fifth floor. Security personnel have established a tight perimeter, ensuring that only specialized investigators are permitted inside the Speaker's chamber to gather documentary and digital evidence. On the ground, the fifth floor is completely locked down. Reports of eyewitnesses. They brought in forensic kits and evidence bags. It's clear they are looking for specific financial trails and records. This aggressive raid comes as part of sweeping investigation into alleged illicit enrichment, self-enrichment, and systemic corruption during amongst tenure. The operation at Parliament is just the tip of the iceberg. Over the last 48 hours, joint security teams have simultaneously raided and searched multiple private premises belonging to the former speaker, including 2 of our luxury homes. The politics of a downfall, the timing of the raid is as explosive as the investigation itself. It comes barely 24 hours after a stunning political capitulation. Mrs. Among officially withdrew her candidacy from the upcoming speakership race. For months, Among had maintained a defiant stance against growing public outcry and shifting political tides. However, her sudden withdrawal yesterday signaled a major fracture in her political armor, a vulnerability that state investigators wasted no time exploiting this morning. The rapid sequence of events unfolded in quick succession. Yesterday, Anita abruptly withdrew her candidacy for the speakership race, sending shockwaves through the political establishment. Last 24 hours, joint CID and UPDF search teams raided 2 of Among's private residences, hunting for financial documents. 9 a.m. today, an evidence collection van and a team of forensic auditors arrived at the parliamentary complex. 9:15 a.m. today, the fifth floor of the East Wing was officially declared a crime scene and locked down to all unauthorized personnel. So what investigators are looking for? According to sources close to the investigation, forensic auditors are combining through procurement and budgetary allocation files from the Speaker's office. They are also reviewing financial logs related to alleged corporate social responsibility funds, alongside electronic data, hard drives, and communication logs that might link the former Speaker to illicit financial flows. As the evidence collection van sits parked outside Parliament, filling up with boxes of confiscated files, the political future of one of the country's most polarizing figures seems entirely derailed. What was once the highest seat of legislative power has now become the epicenter of Uganda's latest and most explosive anti-corruption crackdown. Acholi Side TV.
Basoga. Visitor in a green feed.
Oh, wewe jamani, toka. Wewe folks wachukue